Dual Estates introduces Riverdale, a gated community spread across 31 acres. Riverdale is an assortment of towers that comes with fully equipped clubhouses and endless amenities. It is located along the banks of the Mula Mutha River in Kharadi, Pune. The ideal site to wake up to every morning. Located in the bustling and upcoming region of Kharadi, Riverdale is ideally located, spread along the banks of the Mula Mutha River. Riverdale enjoys a scenic view with the added benefit of easy connectivity. The Kharadi Shivane Riverside Road is at the doorstep of Riverdale. It has quick access to the Koregaon Park and Kalyani Nagar, as well as the upcoming IT finance zones that includes Eon IT Park and World Trade Center in Kharadi. Riverdale is well connected to the arterial roads in Pune like Nagar Road and Kharadi Mundwa Bypass, with main roads directly taking you to the Riverdale's doorstep. Some of the most prominent educational institutes, healthcare facilities, entertainment and retail zones, and hotels and restaurants of the region are also in close proximity of Riverdale. In Kharadi, prominent locations like Columbia Asia Hospital, Eon IT Park, the World Trade Center, Radisson Hotel, and Reliance Mart are not more than a 10-minute walk from Riverdale, making commutes or running errands a delight. Spread across 31 acres, Riverdale is an assortment of 3 different and premium residential complexes, namely Riverdale Grand, Riverdale Residences, and Riverdale Heights, each comprising of intelligently designed apartments that complement your lifestyle with world-class amenities and facilities. The space, the view, the location, and the amenities blended into one. Now that's more square happiness for you. Riverdale Heights is the first offering from Riverdale with 1 and 2 BHK apartments. Intelligently designed with the perfect mix of amenities and facilities, Riverdale Heights is all about complementing your life with more square lifestyle. At Riverdale Heights, the intelligent architecture and design lend themselves to the optimized space and well-planned positioning of the apartments. Add to it the range of amenities on offer, and what you get is more square comfort. Riverdale Heights offers a unique design of a full glass glazed facade. With a podium measuring over 2 acres, Riverdale Heights offers car-free landscaped podiums, a large clubhouse on the podium, and 3 levels of ample covered parking. Amongst many of the amenities, Riverdale Heights offers a large swimming pool with expansive lawns that integrate seamlessly with the large clubhouse. Moving to the apartments, our spacious living rooms provide floor-to-ceiling French windows, opening up into the balcony to offer unobstructed views and plenty of natural light. In the bedroom, the full-height glass windows are a key feature and designed specially to provide completely unobstructed and panoramic views to wake up to. The kitchen provides a perfect marriage of fashion and functionality with modern kitchen cabinets and provisions for various key utilities. Our bathrooms are well-thought designs providing subtle touches like shower, partitions, and access for natural light and ventilation. Riverdale Heights provides a distinctive range of world-class leisure amenities and functional facilities in and around the tower that offer you a life of ease and more square recreation. Whether it is a large podium or spacious open spaces, Riverdale Heights offers something for everyone. From the world-class architecture to the endless amenities, to the location, to the accessibility, to the apartments and much more, Riverdale Heights has it all. We invite you to be a part of the Riverdale family and look forward to seeing you soon.